When coaching between devices such as PlayStation and Xbox, a noticed difference about both brands have very similar hardware. Each has important differences between their in items of performance and functionalities. The processor, memory, storage, graphic card, or ventilation system are key in this device, and the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X have their differences. In the case of Xbox Series, however, the optical connector is large. On the other hand, the design of PlayStation 5 surprised that they are two models, a white and Blu-ray reader and another exclusively digital edition. Both have a USB and port and USB-C port on the front, in addition to the power button. In terms of performance, Microsoft Live and the having favorite stock is stemming from chip and semiconductor storage. And when coaching between devices such as PlayStation and Xbox, I noticed difference about brands have very similar hardware. Each has important differences between the items and performance or functionalities. The processor, memory, storage, graphic cards, or ventilation system are key in this device, and the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X have their differences. In the case of Xbox Series, however, the optical connector is lost. On the other hand, the design of PlayStation 5 surprised, and there are two models, one white and Blu-ray reader and another exclusive digital edition. Both have a USB-I port and USB-C port on the front, in addition to the power button. In terms of performance, Microsoft leads and why and having better stock issues stemming from chip and semiconductor uh, shortage. On the other hand, it is Sony tantrums in the number of units sale, even with manufacturing problems due to the lack of processor. Of the new Sonic console that make finding a unit for sale and complex task in many cases. Games are also the key factor in deciding which console to buy. Normality, PlayStation exclusive and no success and among public. On the other hand, PlayStation and exclusive usually take feed most to a review of the country. In general, choosing between PlayStation and Xbox is personal question. The decision depends on your preference and requirements. If you value power and value for money, the Xbox Series X could be the winning model if you prefer. PlayStation speed could be more suited. They would have their strength, and it really depends on the matter most to join in your tech experience.